and then 3, and then last 2, and then 1 more, and then return. So bring your feet together, and then you move a little bit forward, closer to the foot bar. So bring your feet together, and then hands to the side of your feet. So you keep pressing the foot bar, so you will not pull. Inhale to stretch the legs. Rest and then stretch the legs. Head inside the arms. Keep pressing your feet so you can stretch the legs. And then up to where you can stretch and then sit up tall. Again, inhale to stretch again. Shoulders are down. Hide your tummy into your spine. And then sit up tall again. So continue. Inhale to stretch again. And then exhaling, return again. So again, last 2, inhale to stretch. And then exhaling again, return. And then 3. Return again, last 2. And then return again. And then 1 more, inhale to stretch. And then exhaling, return again. So this time, you move a little bit closer back to the foot bar. And then let's change the position of your hand and your feet. So your feet are on the side of the foot bar. And then your hands at the center. Okay, so keep pressing your feet so you will not pull the foot bar. Can you bring your body up, sit up tall more? So from there, inhale to stretch again. Shoulders in line, head inside your arms, and then sit up tall again, return. So again, and then stretch, and then 8 more. Stretch again, stretch, and then hold for a second, and then return again, sit up tall. And then 7. And then return, and then 5, and then 4, and then return again, and then last 3, and then last 2, and then 1 more, stretch. Let's stay for 10 counts. Can you press your feet even more? So you can stretch the legs even more. Can you hide your tummy into your spine? So kung tama yan, yung likod dapat mahaba at lumalakad. That's how we stretch the lower back. Let's stay for 5 more breaths. Inhale, exhale 4. Inhale, exhale 3, and then 2, 1, and then return again. Okay. So dagdag tayo ng isang blue string at the middle. Okay, so on a kneeling position, facing the mirror, and then from And then one more. Let's just stay with your plank for 10 counts. Stretch the arms, move the carriage out. Let's stay for 10. Lift your hips. Lift the hips. Let's stay for 5 more. 4. Tingin sa unahan. 3. And then 2. 1. And then return. Lower down your knees. And then curl your toes against the shoulder blocks. So, nandun na siya sa shoulder blocks. Nakapagod ulit. So, tanggal tayo ng isang blue string at the middle. And then arms a little wider than the shoulder. Curl your toes against the shoulder blocks. Curl the toes. Okay, so step your right foot on top of your foot bar. So place the right foot on top of the foot bar. So bring your hips forward, open the chest. Some more. So your legs should be inside the arms. Okay, inhale to stretch. And then straighten the front leg. Drop the head down. And then bend your knees. And then turn again. So again, inhale to stretch. And then return again. Continue. 3 more. Inhale to stretch again. And then bend your knees, return. And then last 2. Inhale to stretch. And then bend again. And then 1 more. And let's just stay there for 5. Inhale, exhale 4, 3, 2, 1. And then return again. Other side. Bring the hips forward. So inhale to stretch. And then exhaling, return again. So again, inhale to stretch. And then exhale, return. And then 3. And then return again. And then last 2. And then 1 more. And let's stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then return again. Okay, so let's stand on the left side again. So heels are together. Reach your arms up again. And then exhaling, rounding forward. Rounding forward again. And then press on the feet, let them up. And then exhale again, round forward. And then up again. And then 1 more, exhaling again, round forward. And then up again. And then release. So that's your class for today. So kindly do us a favor of cleaning what you have used. And including po yung ating